Hello all, I Dr. Deepak Kumar welcomes you. Subject is Basics of Radio Programming and Production, and topic is Growth and Development of Radio Broadcasting in India. In our earlier session, we discussed the growth and development of radio in India till 1940s. Today we will discuss the growth and development of radio in India from 1950s to next. Next, in 60s and 70s, November 1st, 1967, commercials on Vivid Bharati introduced. Before this, there was no commercial for any program. July 21st, 1969, Yuva Vani service started from Delhi. August 15th, 1969, 1000 kilowatt superpower medium wave transmitter commissioned at Calcutta. In 1970s, in the decade of 70 to 80, January 8th, 1971, one more 1000 kilowatt superpower medium wave transmitter was commissioned at Rajkot. 1974, Akashvani Annual Awards instituted. August 1st, 1976, Doordarshan separated from All India Radio. 1977, introduction of political party broadcasts. July 23rd, 1977, first ever FM service was inaugurated from Madras. The very first FM services was started from Madras on dated July 23rd, 1977. The next is in the decade of 80 to 90, May 1983, AIR Baroda became a CBS station. September 14th, 1984, two high power 250 kilowatt short wave transmitters inaugurated at Aligarh. October 30th, 1984, first local station at Nagarcoil started. January 26th, 1985, commercials on primary channel introduced. August 15th, 1985, introduction of early news bulletins started. 1985, all India radio stations were provided with 5 channel satellite receiver terminals. May 18th, 1988, introduction of national radio channel. April 8th, 1989, commissioning of integrated northeast service. In 1990s decade, March 2nd, 1990, the 100th station of AIR commissioned at Warangal, Andhra Pradesh. March 10th, 1990, two 500 kV superpower shortwave transmitters inaugurated at Bangalore. January 10th, 1993, introduction of phone-in program at AIR Delhi. The phone-in programs were started from All India Radio Delhi from January 10th, 1993. April 1st, 1993, the 150th station of AIR inaugurated at Behrampur, Odisha. August 15th, 1993, introduction of selling of time slots on FM channel to private parties at Delhi and Mumbai. Before this, all programs were prepared and produced by All India Radio. Now, they started selling of time slots on FM channel to private parties. They can make their record their own programs and broadcast their programs on FM channels. And this is started from Delhi and Mumbai station. September 1st, 1993, time slot on FM channels to private parties at Chennai. Chennai in Chennai also the time slots were given to private parties. Before this, only Delhi and Mumbai were doing this. But from September 1st, 1993, Chennai FM station also started this. April 1st, 1994, Sky Radio program become operational. September 10th, 1994, multi-track recording studio commissioned at Mumbai. September 28th, 1994, four 500 kV superpower shortwave transmitters at Bangalore inaugurated, making Bangalore one of the biggest transmitting center of the world. Four transmitters were inaugurated, four transmitters were established of 500 kilowatt each. In 1990s, continue. February 1st, 1996, foundation stone laid for new broadcasting house in Delhi. May 2nd, 1996, launching of AIR online information services on internet. January 13th, 1997, audio in real time or internet services started. Real time broadcasting of radio on internet started from January 13th, 1997. November 23rd, 1997, Prasar Bharati Corporation comes into existence. January 26th, 1998, Radio on Demand service on second FM channel was started. February 25th, 1998, AIR news on telephone and live on internet also started. April 1998, sale of time slots on FM was stopped. August 29th, 1998, Prasar Bharati bill was passed by Lok Sabha. June 1999, Sri R. Shah, IAS, named officiating member executive private FM channels announced by Government of India. August 15th, 1999, radio station commissioned at Kokrajhar in Bodoland Autonomous Council area. That's all for today's session. We will continue this topic in our next session. Till then, thank you.